Alrighty, guys, welcome back to my crazy life. We're here at the Ohio Bird Sanctuary. This is the bald eagle. Look at that thing. That thing is freaking massive. He's probably about 2 foot tall, but he's squatting. You know, if he stood up, he'd be about 3 foot. Hey, buddy, you want some mealworms? Hey. Well, yeah, we're here at the Ohio Bird Sanctuary up here in Mansfield, Ohio. Day off today. It's supposed to be like 94. It's almost 90 now here at like noon. But enjoying the day. Just out getting some sun, getting some fresh air, feeding the birds. Hit that like and subscribe, you guys. Crazy moose. If I do it, you're going to see it. Till next time. See you. Craziness.